Just give me my freedom. I say, give me my freedom. Who did I tell them to give me my freedom?
Hi friends, great Biafrans, great Oduduwa Republic, great viewers. Welcome to my channel. Today we actually have a headline here, and it says, just in, Ebubeagu chairman resigned after 2 members were killed by unknown gunmen in Ebony state. Now, following the death of 2 Ebubeagu members, the chairman Southeast Security Committee, Major General Obi, retired, has resigned his appointment. The Southeast Security outfit Ebubeagu failed to take off because the governor did not fund it. His founding chairman, Major General Obi, retired, said on Monday. Announcing his resignation as chairman of the Southeast Governor Forum SGF Security Committee, Umahi said the outfit was also not provided with an office. He tendered his resignation in June 4, letter entitled Resignation as Chairman Southeast Security Committee, Ebubeagu, and addressed to the SGF chairman and Ebony State Governor, Umahi. The retired Major General was tasked with leading the outfit following his launch amid fanfare in April. In letter also copied to the President General of Nnamdi worldwide, Prof. George Obioso, and cited by our correspondent Umahi, said his committee's plans for the outfits were frustrated. The letter read in part, since this security committee was formed, we deliberately and agreed on ways to raise security consciousness down to the committee levels in Igbo land. Mode of operation, logistics, and type of equipment required, such as drones, vehicle, etc. We also crafted the concept of Southeast security. I chaired the 21-man committee set up to draft a legal framework for the outfit. The committee was composed of members of the Southeast Security Committee, the Attorney General of the 5 Southeast states, and some prominent Igbo sons and daughters. On 11th April 2021, Southeast governors announced the formation of a Ebubeagu in Owerri. Subsequently, the draft legal framework produced by the 21-man committee was reviewed by Southeast Security Committee members and the Attorney General of the 5 states. From inception to date, Southeast Security Committee was never funded at all in any capacity, and not even an office space was provided. At this juncture that Ebubeagu will soon come fully on stream, I respectfully request that Your Excellencies kindly permit me to resign my appointment as the Chairman Southeast Security Committee. In the spirit of my love to serve Igbo, I can assure you that I will always be available to advise on the success of Ebubeagu at no cost, just as I serve as Chairman of Southeast Security Committee from 31st August 2019 till date, at no cost directly or indirectly to the 5 Southeast state government group and individuals. I highly appreciate Your Excellencies for the opportunities you gave me to serve Igbo. Umahi, who confirmed the resignation to journalists, said, please be assured of my loyalty, respect, and accept my high regard of your esteemed consideration. The SGF could not be reached on the development. His Director General and Secretary to Enugu State Government, Simeon Otoanya, said he would get back to our correspondent. When he was contacted again hours later, he said he was in a meeting. Governor Mahi's special assistant on media, Francis Mazi, did not pick his calls or respond to text messages. Ebony Commissioner for Information, Uchenna Oji, declined comment. He said that he was not in a position to react to the issue. Imo State government said it did not foot drag on the stake of Ebubeagu. Commissioner for Information and Strategy, Declan Emelumba, said Governor Hope Uzodinma did his part, including setting in motion machinery for the state vigilante. We have set the machinery in motion, setting up our vigilante group. So I don't think anybody can accuse us of foot dragging on the takeoff the security outfit. We have started the process, he said. Anambra State Commissioner for Information and Public Enlightenment, C. Don Adenuba, said the state would find out why Umahi resigned. Nobody has briefed me or my principal governor, Ebubeagu, on this matter, and we are not going to rely on speculation. He said. Abia State Commissioner for Information, Mr. John Okiyi Kalo, and the Chief Press Secretary to the Governor, Mr. Onyebuchi MNK, could not be reached. They also did not respond to text messages. National Vice President of Hanezendibo, Ichie Damian Okeke Ogene, expressed surprise at Umahi's resignation. He said Prof. Obiozo would be in better position to explain what may have led to the decision. President of Hanezendibo in Imo, Abuelu Agonna, was concerned about Umahi's resignation. Everything that has to do with security should be taken seriously. First of all, we must find out if he has made a complaint to the authorities and what was the response. If what he is saying has no political undertone, it means there is danger, he said. A security expert, Victor Chibueze, urged the governors to back wars with action. He said the governors are battling with judicial autonomy and independence of the legislature. If the states have money, they won't be dragging the judicial and legislative autonomy for this long. And it is the same states that are owing workers that you want to shoulder the burden of a security outfit. The stories that we are hearing about the payment of Homeland Security in Abia and the Forest Guard in Enugu, if they are anything to go by, are not palatable. That calls to question how the new Southeast Security Group is going to be funded. How committee are the governors going to be in their monthly payment and providing other logistics? We know it will come to this extent. This is my analysis. Ebubeagu. Who are these Ebubeagu people? Devuma thinks we are fool. He wanted to use Ebubeagu to confuse Eastern Security Network. There was nothing like Ebubeagu. Devuma with other governors in this 5 Eastern region are all useless. There was nothing like Ebubeagu. They did that in a way so that Eastern Security Network can back down if they brought something like Ebubeagu. But the truth is that the Fulani Janjaweeds were the one that told them to create something like that, so that to make sure that ESN back down. But when they see that ESN refused to back down, they refused to fund the outfit. You heard the man. They did not fund the outfit, Ebubeagu. The governor did not fund it. They are busy deceiving people. Meaning that they never wanted to provide any security outfit to the Igbos, to the Southeast. What Nnamdi Kanu did was the best thing for all the whole Southeast and even South. Forget about what they are doing, creating different security outfits everywhere. From Janjaweed like Wikis. We know their plans. These governors can never do anything good to the people, for the people. I've told you this from the beginning. Forget about what Wike is building in River State. That was the money given to him by Katrina Liang. And that's and the Fulani bank in the north. Go on and check out your bushes. You will see Fulani herdsmen everywhere, chilling, waiting for action. As far as you take devil's money, you must pay. He has paid with Obibo blood. To the extent you have brought fear in many Igbo peoples. To the extent he has brought fear in Igbocha people by killing them, still threatening them that he will kill more. He heard him. He called them criminals and he told them that he will kill more. This is the fact. All these governors know what they are doing. If they are Fulani Janjaweed told them, go on, create this security outfit so that this one will back down. But because ESN refused to back down, they now brought the Boko Haram soldiers to come and kill them. This is what is happening. And when I told you that these governors are changing, they are the one killing our people, you think I'm playing. And if you don't do anything about them, believe me, our people will continue to die. They were the ones that prescribed IPOB. They were the ones that refused to enact Eastern Security Network in law. They pretended that they are going to bring a bag. But you heard that man. They did not fund it. They didn't even enact it in law. They did not fund it. This is to show that they were working for their masters, Fulani masters. They are stooge. All of them were both wicked. All of them. We have to stop wasting our time and do the right thing. I think I have to stop here. I don't want to go further. What I'm saying in essence is that a bago or no bago, Igbo governors are stooge in the hands of Fulanis. They brought a bago to see if they can discourage Eastern Security Network. But when they saw that they refused to back down, they now brought this Boko Haram a swap in military uniform to come to our land to kill our people. And they are going around killing our people, innocent people. Going to their houses. Does Eastern Security Network stay in the house? Does unknown government stay in the house? How can unknown government keep police and still stay in the houses, in their houses? They are going around kidnapping our brothers and sisters, killing them, putting them in the mortuary in the name of unknown government. I think I have to stop here. Great Biafrans, great Oduduwa Republic, great viewers, please share this news and stay blessed as you do. Cheers.